My name's Kyle O'Donnell. I live in Fairfield, Connecticut. I found LeafFilter through internet ads that came across from various different sites. I finally clicked on one because I had covers on my gutters, but I was not happy with how they were performing. And I decided to give LeafFilter a call to see how it was going to go. And a salesman came out to the house almost immediately, ran through the whole product. I liked how it looked. I liked how it sounded like it was going to work. I liked the idea that there was a lifetime warranty and that I could not have to worry about getting up there and trying to clean the gutters ever again. An installer was at our house within a couple days and on my schedule. And that was great. And before you knew it, they were all done. One man, very professional, did the whole job in a couple hours. And it's the fall, so we've had plenty of leaves falling. And I saw them all kind of starting to build up a little bit, but then the wind blew them right off and we haven't had any problems. So I've been very happy.